to start to stay strong by putting this big steel beam through this window. It's going to hold up the existing house from the new addition going on in the back.
So inside, all our framing, all our temporary supports are up in place, holding the addition from the existing house structure. Our scaffold and structural support is in place, getting ready for that steel beam to come through that window on the scaffold. Then it'll be hoisted up into place. 2 steel columns will be put on either side, and the temporary support will also be able to be taken down. We're going to have one large, great open concept kitchen, great room area. The structural steel beam now holds up the whole second story of the house and creates one large open concept from one end of the kitchen all the way back to the pool. That was created by steel beam, structural posts, and structural concrete. All this is now holding and supporting all the load that's needed to carry the second floor of the house and make this one open big floor plan.